Good morning and welcome to the session where we learn success from the book Money, Sex, Power. You can visit moneysexpower.in and you can even go to the blogs and you can read a lot of success stories, how to be successful. Today it is day 26. We'll read chapter 26 verse 1. Like snow in summer, rain in harvest, so is a fool who does not deserve honor. This verse talks about how we need to deal with people. See, I tell you something, we cannot deal with everyone in the same way. Certain people need a different treatment. Not that we are partial, not that we have any nepotism, but we should always understand the same treatment cannot be given to all. Because there are various types of people. Some people are called as fools. Some people are called as wise. Some people are called as intelligent. Now, there are certain groups of people, they are fools. Now, I don't say fools are bad. Fools can be very useful. They can be very hardworking. They can be helping you in a very nice way. Nothing wrong about a fool. But what happens is, he cannot function in certain other places. Fools can function in certain places, not in certain. Here it says, you cannot put a fool in an honorable place. That means you can never promote a fool. You can never ever give honor to a fool. A fool has to be kept in a place of dishonor. Now, it is not that you are keeping him at dishonor. We are, not allowing him to be promoted. Maybe a fool may think, why I am not getting promoted? See, I tell you something. You cannot go by what the fool desires of himself. You have to go by what the book says. Now the book says, a fool do not deserve honor. So a fool can be with you. He can help you. He can work for you. Okay? But never a fool will be given an honor. Because if you give a fool an honor or a promotion, then what happens? Now consider you are a very broad-minded good man. You treat everybody equally. And by eventually, in your goodness, you promote a fool. Now what will happen to you? It says, like a rain in the harvest. Now India is a tropical nation where there is a lot of summer. Okay? During harvest time, a rain cannot come because all the harvest will go in the river. Whatever you harvest, it go in the river. That means during harvest, if a rain comes, it is just like becoming bankrupt. It's such a great loss for the farming community when rain comes during harvest. And it says snow in the summer. There are many harvesting which happens during summer. For example, in India, mango harvest comes in summer. What will happen when there is a snow? When there is a snow, the snow settles on the fruit and the fruits become ripe and rotten. It will destroy the profit of the farmers. When the farmers become poor in a nation, I tell you, the whole nation is going to suffer because the food prices are going to increase. If the food prices increase, everything else will increase. My friends, so it is like when you promote a fool or give a fool honor, you may be acting in your goodness, but you are asking for trouble. My friends, fools should be kept in a place of dishonor. It is not partiality or a wrong thing. That is the right thing to do. It may be a little difficult, but it is the truth. Of course, if a fool gets out of his foolishness, if he becomes a wise man, why not? Then he is entitled for a promotion. My friend, you need to decide which category you come from. It is no use complaining why I don't get my promotion. It's no use complaining. Because the wise people will never promote a fool. Honor is not fitting for a fool. The wise man wants you to be intelligent, learn, and come out of your foolishness. I hope you enjoyed the session. We will meet tomorrow, same time, same place. God bless you.